Imagine walking into a store. A shirt costs less than your lunch. You buy it, wear it twice, forget it.
Here's the twist. That shirt isn't really about fashion. It's about trucks, warehouses, shipping lanes.
Fast fashion is not a clothing business. It's a logistics empire.
How can selling $5 shirts make billions?
Let's rewind. Fashion used to be slow. Fashion used to be slow. Designers made seasonal collections. Clothes lasted years. Then came Zara. They asked, what if fashion moved faster?
Soon, H&M, Forever 21, Shein joined. They sold novelty. Every visit felt like treasure hunting.
They weren't just designing shirts. They were designing supply chains.
Think of it like pizza delivery. You don't care about the oven. You care about how fast the pizza arrives.
Instead of buying one coat for years, people bought 10 cheap jackets. Closets grew. Prices shrank.
Every visit felt like treasure hunting. New designs, new bargains. Fashion became a game of chance.
They weren't just designing shirts. They were designing supply chains.
Speed beats style. Fashion became delivery, not design.
Closets filled. Wallets emptied. Fashion became disposable.
Factories, ships, warehouses. Every link timed like clockwork.
Fashion became novelty. Dopamine hits from new designs kept people hooked.
Fast fashion looks cheap, but behind the scenes, it's expensive.
Factories run 24/7. Deadlines are brutal. Workers earn pennies. In Bangladesh, Vietnam, China, workers stitch clothes for pennies.
Millions of unsold clothes pile up. Burned, dumped, shipped to landfills. Every shirt takes water. Cotton drinks rivers. Dyes poison streams. Plastic fibers shed into oceans. Every wash adds more pollution.
Ships deliver faster. Trucks move quicker. But one delay creates chaos.
AI predicts what you'll buy. Factories print it overnight.
Low prices feel good, but they trick you into buying more.
Your closet fills. Your wallet empties. Fast fashion is a trap disguised as a bargain.
Every year, 100 billion garments are produced. Most are worn less than 10 times.
Ships cross oceans. Planes fly overnight. Warehouses hum non-stop, all to keep shelves full. The system is too fast. One delay, and shelves go empty.
Remember 2020? Factories closed, ships stuck, stores shut, fast fashion froze.
Brands fought not with designs, but with delivery times.
Floods delayed shipments. Heat waves shut factories. Climate change disrupted logistics.
Closets overflowed. Social media exposed waste. Suddenly, cheap shirts didn't feel so cheap.
TikTok closets stuffed. Instagram landfills exposed. YouTube documentaries revealed the empire. Fast fashion isn't just about clothes anymore. It's about survival, of logistics, reputation, trust.
Floods, heat waves, storms. Nature became the ultimate supply chain manager. Awareness cracked the empire's illusion.
People saw the hidden costs.
The empire must choose speed or sustainability.
Fast fashion isn't really about fashion. It's about logistics.
But speed has limits. The planet slows it down. Consumers question it.
Every shirt you buy is part of a global race. You're not just buying fabric, you're buying logistics. Pause. Think before you buy. Ask, do I need this?
Share this story. Awareness slows the empire. Awareness builds change.
Fast fashion is a logistics empire. But empires fall when people see the truth.
Now you've seen it. What will you do next?
This isn't just about shirts. It's about systems. It's about sustainability.
Slow down the empire. Speed up awareness. The story doesn't end here. It starts with you.
Slow down the empire. Speed up awareness.